What's up everyone, today to a new video. This is part 3 of trying to get 400 keys to get flamethrower. So right now I don't have my crests. I don't have my crests, but I'm doing my bonus path. I don't know, why am I lagging? I don't know, I'm actually lagging. Yo, it's like I got so many tabs on anyways. Dead. Yep, got that bonus pass. What's up? Isn't that bad? Why do they even call it teabag? Like, how does this teabag work? Like, should it be called eat my explosive diarrhea or something? Cause like, you're just crouching on the face. Yo, he better not sell it. This man is low. He has. Oh my god, okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna actually start trying to do some, make some short uploads, because I'm gonna start making some drawing shorts. I don't know how to say it. Like, I'm gonna start, trying to post more shorts, but like, I don't know how to make edits and stuff. Of course. Always gotta predict where they're going. Yo, look. Goofy, our brother keeps coming in, bro. Trying to steal some stuff from my room. It's goofy ass face, bro. So. That's diarrhea. Like, if any of y'all watching this and you good at like editing and stuff, can y'all like, yeah, me, bro, like, not gonna lie, I need help. I tried to post a short, like, straight up just now, earlier. I was trying to post a straight up short, but like, couldn't even. I didn't even know how to edit. I was trying to make like a drawing short, because like, I'm gonna try to I'm not gonna make like gaming shorts. I'm gonna make like, like drawing. Oh my god. But right now, focus, so I can cook this guy. Yeah, I'm actually happy. Oh yeah. Bro, it's so easy to predict this guy's moves. See? I knew already. I knew he wasn't gonna come from, because from the last match he came around. But he still doesn't know how I'm moving. Okay, he switched up. Shotgun is actually pretty good now. A lot of people use it now for some reason. It's like everybody hated it. It used to be Gyat and everything, but now it's like everybody's main primary now. Money, 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 money. Yo, why am I, bro? I'm yapping too much. I yap too much. Gotta stop yapping too much. Oh shit, God. See? That was so easy, bro. Money, money. If I hit it a little bit earlier, I would've. Wait, I should be hitting all my shots. Bro is licking the wall. I'm gonna make this guy crash out. Why do you keep doing that? It's so obvious you're gonna. What the heck? You did not hit? Money, money. And guess what? How does the ground taste, and how does the wall taste, and how does my poop taste? Yeah, exactly. I bet you feel. Damn! Freeze rate? But that freeze rate's kind of getting me. But come on. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so I need 30 more eliminations to win 3 more matches. I was win 3 matches, right? Ooh, okay. See, I'm spamming arena. I swear, 3 picks. Just. Oh no, construction would have been actually good. I swear, bro uses. If he uses. Wait, I'm gonna use knife after like 2 rounds. I'm not stupid, bro. I remember one time where I was recording and a dude right here, he was using straight up riot shield, and I just went up and I went boom. See, that was easy, see? Like, you can make people rage quit. That's all you gotta do. Like, it's so easy to, like, straight up stop. Like, if someone's using riot shield, all you need is slap. Like, all I gotta do you just snipe up in the air, and after that you just RPG them. Or if you got sniper, you just use sniper on them, and then boom, they're dead. And I bet they're gonna straight up crash out and say, "What the? That doesn't count." Bacon boy. Wait, I'm gonna come on Bacon boy's team. Hey, come. Here, come here. Yo. Come. Come. Yeah, come. Come here. Please just come. Come. 2v2. Go! Oh my god! Can you come? Bro, come! No, I'm actually gonna go. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm gonna beat you. Got him. Bro. Where is he? I'm tired, bro. I'm crashing out. I'm importing this boy. Why? Because I feel like it. Wasted 3 minutes of my life and I'm gonna make you crash on like a little boy once you found out you recorded. It gets annoying at one point where someone just doesn't forking just comes in. Like it just forking tired, bro. Like I'm forking done, bro. Bro, if this happened to any YouTubers, I bet that they would crash out, but then they would cut out that part of the video. But since I don't know how to do that, it's gonna stay in here anyways. That's how it sounds like it. Oh yeah, let me just heal myself. Hey, what the hell? What's up? Money, 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 green, 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 money, money. Come on, just gotta win 2 more matches. See, you always have to just predict where they're going. If you can predict where they go, then it's easy. See? Always predict. Always predict where they're going. Predict. Skibberty. Let's just say more. Predict. Wait, when I shot the RPG, it showed 200 damage. No, I'm not even joking. If y'all pause it, it said 200 damage, bro. My RPG did 200 damage? Nah, bro. Since when? Where's bro RPG aiming at? Predict. Always gotta predict where they're going. See, once you predict where they go, they know they're not gonna win. So one more match, and then that one match, so technically speaking, I should get like 25 kills. That means I would need another 15 kills. So I know what to do. I'm just gonna be playing deathmatch. We got the like some people need to realize you can straight up one-shot people with an assault rifle. Like you can actually one-shot what is it called? Like if you go in the air first and they're not a sniper user, you should use Molotov, then you should just spam the assault rifle, and the place they're most likely gonna go is right or left. So just aim somewhere there when you see they're about to run, because then it's pretty obvious. And this is gonna be the last match because I'm trying to have the video to be released in 20 minutes. Unless I can cut a part out, but the thing is I can't since like I'm not good at editing. But off camera, I'm gonna finish the extra bonus tasks, and then I'm gonna record a new video tomorrow. I won't be recording another video again today. It's like I'm just going to street. Oh yeah! I showed a Joji backup. I show mine. Oh yeah? Oh yeah! Yeah, go eat. It's time to eat. Apple and bananas. It's time to eat. Apple and bananas. It's time to eat. You are losing. La 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 la. RPG. I used my X, you got Oh yeah, that's the end of this video. I guess they just suck, bro. They actually suck. Yeah, that's the end of this video. And this was part 3. We're getting 400 keys!